These chairs with they still draining.
Yeah, it's crazy because I'm 49, she's 44, and it's our first marriage.
Yeah.
So it's like,
Okay, I'm in woodworks 6707. Clean out just behind the washer dryer. August 3, that's correct. So an ABS, 3-inch clean out. The line coming in, vertical line. So we're still in the building here. There's another line coming in. A little slight low spot here, but nothing major. Looks all clean. This is just gone through the transition between the ABS to cast iron. We're outside it's probably the foundation at this point. Bottom of the screen, top right. Sorry, bottom of the bottom of the lines, top right of the screen. Again, this is cast iron. Here we're coming up to the splice. You see the white PVC. It was no hubbed, rubber connected. A little 22 bend, and then that's back to original plastic. Shared line is probably from another unit now. We're about 10, 12 foot outside the foundation. Probably the unit 08 or 06, I think it is, upstream. They're probably combined together. And here we are dropping vertically down into the actual main. From manhole to manhole, looks like there's a bit of water holding, but that's let's say manhole to manhole. And that's the dripping off the camera. Everything's good.